Hello guys, what's going on? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to make a tutorial about SEEDANCE 2.5, and in this video guys I'm going to share with you that how actually you can get SEEDANCE 2.5 for free with this method, which I found it out guys and it worked for me, and I'm going to share with you all the steps I did for myself so you can be able to do it also you on your own. So not lose too much time, we're going to make a short video so you can be able to understand everything. So guys, one of the platforms that you can use SEEDANCE 2.5 is Higgsfield, and here as you can see I used a promo code guys, official promo code, which gave me Higgsfield 12 months guys for free. And like this I can use a SEEDANCE 2.5 for 1 year completely for free. So now I'm going to show you how you actually can get your own code as well. All right. So guys, in order for this to work, you will need your mobile phone in your hand. It doesn't matter what kind of phone it is. It can be iOS, it can be Android. The steps are going to be the same. The next step is to go to internet browser and search about this site called novocoupons.com. So once you're going to enter in, you have a lot of other things which you might check later if you're interested for something else. I'll just use the searching bar to find it faster. Here it is. Here you press show coupon code, and now you just need to wait a few seconds for the circle to get complete until the end. Once it's going to be done, it's going to take you to the next page and it will show you the code is locked. So you just need to press the button below, get the full code. The next step is going to require to complete a little task in order to unlock the code for free. All you need to do is to read the instructions guys. It says download the complete 2 apps below to unlock Higgsfield Plus code for free. You have a note, do not use VPN or proxy. So if you are using any VPN or proxy, you just need to turn it off before guys. So all you have to do guys is to check the list below and to find 2 apps to complete it as a task. All the apps are for free, you don't have to pay anything, and all the apps are coming from official stores, from App Store or Play Store, depends on the phone that you are using. All you need to do guys is to read the instructions and to find which app is the easiest one. Once you're going to choose which one you want to do it, you just press on it. It shows again the instruction what you have to do and press unlock now. It will take you to App Store if you're using an iPhone or Play Store if you're using an Android device. Once you're going to get connected with your official store, the first thing you need to do is to download the app. And then after you download the app, you need to complete the task required as per description. When you finish with the first app, you go back to the site, to the second app, and then you're going to be able to unlock the code, and I'll show you how you actually can do that. I'll just need to complete the apps real quick, and then I'll come back to you to show the next step. Here we are guys, I just completed both of the apps. I did these 2 over here, and now how to unlock the code, you have to go back one more time to the site after you finish the task. And then down below you're gonna find the button to take you back. For iPhones is here, and for Android you should have in the other side. You just go and press it, and then as you can see, the code get unlocked. If you try to get back immediately without completing any task, the code is going to show locked again. Or if you didn't complete the task correctly as per description, the code is going to show locked again. So you need to pay a little bit of attention to the description so you don't make any mistake guys. So this code is unused one. It's going to be a gift guys for the first viewer. For the rest of you, you just have to follow the steps that I showed to you and you will be able to do it as well. So this is it guys for today. If you have any question, drop a comment below. I'll try to help you with everything you need. See you in the next videos. Cheers.